doctors are known to work 24/7, just like you all, right? We also work 365 days and we are expected to work. And if you call up your doctor नहीं मिल रहा है, it's stressing. Doctor को होना चाहिए, hospital को होना चाहिए for services. So here in similar condition in essence, the stress levels are exactly the same. They are expected to be on 24 hours. So we are trained like that, anyway, just like you know, to work maybe 36 hours straight without sleep or something. You are also in the same. So let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Rupa Shah. I am a doctor for 30 years now, though I look much younger. But I passed out in 1983 my MBBS, and after that I started immediately with lots of natural medicines. And I believe a lot in natural approach. And over the years I picked up a lot of different alternative medicines like homeopathy, flower medicines, Reiki healing, diet, yoga, exercise, and lifestyle. The last I've done is a course in lifestyle medicine from Harvard Medical School. So what I'm here today is going to talk to you about mainly about how do you change your diet for a healthy living and how important it is. And what are the different misconceptions that we get. Maybe many of us are obesity with healthy food. We think we are healthy. But today we will talk what is really healthy. Where is Mansa? Also. Is it possible to run the Xerox piece to whoever comes? I want to give this as a first thing and this a bit later. So don't give away this now, but that one I need. Okay. So let me just kind of begin with the introduction. What I do in my clinic, जिन्होंने सब कुछ ट्राई कर चुका है, बहुत सारी मेडिसिन हो चुकी है, डायग्नोसिस नहीं हो रहा है, बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टिगेशंस हो गए हैं, very incurable kind of cases. Those kind of cases come to us and when we help them out gradually to rebuild up their system and help them to reduce all their other medication and reverse their diseases. Part of it I do is reversing diabetes through just changing the diet. These are the different things I do. I just change the diet and the diabetes reverses. I show them a little bit of lifestyle modification and the whole disease goes away. So these are extremely overwhelming because there is no medication involved. Straight away show the guidance and the stuff is gone. So this is what I am doing in my clinic. I also use a lot of natural medicines made from flowers. So today's presentation I would like to explain to you that many years ago we probably were doing very simple things. Maybe some herbs or something like that. Then there was prayer. Later on, they said, oh, prayers are not working, let's do something else. But there were again some medicines. After that, there were pills. That was right in 1985 when the first antibiotic was discovered. After that, the whole world changed completely. And then in the last almost 80 years, we have lots and lots of drugs, and every 3 years the market changes. If I don't keep updated with new drugs, then I'm gone. It's so fast, so rapid, the research is happening. But now again, the concept is changing in the last 2 years, and people are wary of using too many drugs. They're looking for natural alternatives all the time. So here I would like to state that food that you eat can be either the safest and the most powerful form of medicine, or it can also be the slow form of medicine. During the whole lecture, I am going to explain to you how that happens and what are the poisons that you are eating every day and how it is slowly killing you. So the various workshops and seminars that I usually do are called as peas versus pills. That means the diet versus the tablets. Do you know that pharmaceutical industry does not create any cures? It's only creating customers. Do you know about it? Have you seen that there are some camps? They will go and check your bone density and they'll make sure that almost 90% of them are deficient. They'll tell you you have osteoporosis. They usually target a woman of around 40s. Then they'll say you go and see the doctor and the doctor has to prescribe calcium. And then you have a customer for life. You are brainwashed completely that you need calcium for your life. And I'm sure you have some members in your family who are already on calcium supplements and are told to take for life. सही है? आपके घर में कहीं ना कहीं किसी का तो calcium supplements चालू हो गए. So this is how pharmaceutical industry is not interested in curing you. They are interested in just creating more and more customers. I have a relative who works in one of the biggest pharmaceutical companies. She's into marketing department. And she says every year we just our targets are high. So number of consumers who is going to use their medicine, they just increase it. तो क्या हम बीमार सोसाइटी है या हम हेल्दी सोसाइटी है? Are we making people healthier or are we making them more sick? Are we targeting this kind of industry where the numbers are increasing? It should be decreasing. If they were curing, so they don't cure, they are only creating customers. Therefore, there is a doctor who wrote this book. His name is Dr. Ray Strand, and he wrote this book, Death by Prescription. Number one cause of death in all over the world is usually lifestyle-related diseases, maybe heart disease. Number two, maybe cancer. But what is number three? Number three is drug-induced. Drug-induced, the wrong drugs, drug interaction, wrong treatment in the hospital. Do you know about it? I'm sure you have some relative who कहीं ना कहीं गड़बड़ हो गई, diagnosis ठीक नहीं हुआ, बाद में दूसरी मेडिसिन भी बाद में खत्म. Have you seen? I've heard. हॉस्पिटल में एक बार गए, पता नहीं क्या हो गया, फिर और कुछ हो गया, उसके बाद कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो गए, फिर डॉक्टर को पता नहीं चला, बाकी सारे ऑर्गन्स फेल हो गए, बात खत्म हो गई. So death by doctor's prescription. This is another one, a big cause of death. This is just a little T-shirt somebody has made, very complicated one. I don't want to read the whole thing. You can't even read because you're far. It says that I took A drug for my B disease, for my C disease, for my D disease, for my F disease. So like you keep taking more and more drugs for various symptoms of your body. I got acidity, then I took one drug, but I got constipation, so I took another drug. The constipation wala drug was giving me headache, so I took another drug for the headache. That kind of the story. This is how it's going this time. So, medicine is not really healthcare. Food is healthy. This is what I am going to talk about. I can easily prescribe a medicine. Don't see your face again. Maybe you come next time, I'll prescribe another medicine. I have no relation with you. If you are healthy or you're sick, that would be easy for me. But here I have to talk about something very basic, something in your kitchen, something that comes on your plate. That's your medicine. This is what I am here to talk about. But food is your medicine. So medicine is really for sick people. Food is for healthy people. Those who want to stay healthy, choose good food. That's the way it is. I have many patients in my clinic who I get very good history. Just last Saturday, I had a patient who had asthma. In our language, we call it as bronchospasm. She said, they called me up and said that उसको खांसी बहुत हो रही है, तो उसके लिए आपके पास दवाई लेने को. ठीक है, लाओ, अगर खांसी है तो हो जाएगा, फिर क्या है? Then she said, नहीं, खांसी तो 4 साल से है. 4 साल से खांसी है, क्या बात कर रहे हो? बोला सूखा खांसी है. No, 4 साल से खांसी है, ये मैं मान नहीं सकती हूँ. Body usually tries to heal. Then she said, नहीं, अस्थमा भी होता है. See, people hide information. सर नहीं, अस्थमा भी है. अच्छा, सांस फूलती है. 4 साल से हो. अच्छा. ओके, और क्या कर रहे हो आप? आपको और कोई डिसीज है? आप कोई मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं? हाँ, 5 साल पहले अमेरिका में मेरा एंजियोप्लास्टी हुआ था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इमरजेंसी में हुआ था क्या एंजियोप्लास्टी? हाँ, इमरजेंसी में हुआ था. सी माई क्वेश्चन. हाँ, इमरजेंसी में एंजियोप्लास्टी हो गया और सब ठीक है अभी, उसका सब परफेक्ट है, वो सब हो गया है. अच्छा, क्या क्या मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं? Because in my mind, it's very clear, खांसी कोई ब्लड प्रेशर वाली मेडिसिन से ही हुई होगी, राइट? आई एम वेरी क्लियर. क्या मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं आप? हाँ, मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं, ब्लड प्रेशर की ले रहे हैं, एक कोलेस्ट्रॉल की ले रहे हैं और सम अदर मेडिसिन. वो सब ठीक है, दैट पार्ट इज टेकन केयर. माई हार्ट इज नाउ इन ग्रेट कंडीशन एंड दोज मेडिसिन आर गोइंग ऑन. अरे बट तुम खांसी की जो खांसी हो रही है वो दवाई से हो रही है, आपको पता नहीं है? आपकी ब्लड प्रेशर की मेडिसिन का नाम बताओ, मुझे मालूम है उसका साइड इफेक्ट है ये. She just looked at me in shock because she said when she developed cough, it took exactly 1 year for doctors to spot that this was because of medicine and that medicine was already stopped. But she, in that 1 year that she took, the damage was already done. You understand, my friends? अब मेरे पास आए तो she was overwhelmed and because I already finished diagnosing that आप इसके कारण नहीं. But now she knows. I already know the stuff. She's already been everywhere else. All the best of the allopathic doctor. All of them only give bronchodilator. सांस जरा ठीक हो जाए ऐसी comfort medicine. But nobody ever managed to cure her, right? Because no one knows how to do. How do you repair this damage? It's already done. The blood pressure medicine is changed now. It's some other medicine that doesn't cause this. But the patient is sick. Patient is only 58-year-old now. I told her you will live for 30 more years. आप कैसे जिएंगे और दवाई का सहारा लेके? She's already taken lots of steroids. So मेरा ये बताना है आपको कि I have to treat two things now. I have to treat the very condition and I have to treat the damage done by the allopathy. समझे आप? The system is now in a very bad shape. So now anyway, once the diagnosis is done, I do know how to do this stuff very properly. I do it gradually. It will take a few months. First I have to repair the damage done by steroids. But adrenal gland is not working. How do I recover the gland? So all these are very complicated cases that come along because of allopathic medicine. So therefore, it's very important that you don't copy the medicines that simply. How much research you do in your own field? These days, I have two very favorite words. People have Google Guruji available. सभी चाहिए मेरे पेशेंट सारे Google Guruji से पूरा एजुकेट होके ही आते हैं मेरे पास. I'm glad, I'm happy. They always read a lot about side effects, everything they come. Very happy. I'm glad you are learning about it. And second is FB friends, Facebook friends. मेरे फ्रेंड ने ये बताया FB पे किसी का कॉन्टेक्ट हुआ, इसने ये करने को बताया. Fair enough. Come, I'm going to discuss. Show you. So the person who takes medicine must recover twice. Once from the disease and once more from the medicine itself. The people are fed by the food industry which pays no attention to health. You agree with me?
Yes.
And are treated by the health industry which pays no attention to food. आपके कितने डॉक्टर आपको आप क्या खाना क्या नहीं खाना के बारे में बताते हैं? I think no one. In my medical college, I had only 5 lectures on nutrition. मुझे क्या पता होगा आपको क्या पता? All these things I learned later. So food industry is separate, and your pharmaceutical and the doctor industry is totally separate, not connected at all. But that's where the mistakes are. And our lifestyle. We are surrounded by gadgets. When I have my cell phone here, I have my laptop. Maybe you have your tabs and lot of other remote controls, and you don't even have to get up if you don't want to get up. Everything will be there on your sofa. This is our lifestyle. We easily slide into the sofa and forget how to exercise. So we'll talk about it a little later. In fact, we spend so many hours staring at a screen. Do you know that? Either it's a computer screen or my cell phone screen or my laptop or a television. So here is this Times of India report that talks about how lifestyle diseases have become really #1 killer for Mumbaikars. So it's the same story all over the world, and we are also catching up with the international scene. All this common illnesses, heart, diabetes, everything is related to lifestyle. Diabetes. Right now, by population, China is #1, but India is not far behind. We are at #2. But we are in close competition, for diabetes cases. We may even go ahead of them. Okay, I'd like to show you a video here on lifestyle diseases very quickly.
Eating out leads the change of compulsion. Doctors say it's bad for the body.
By and large, all outside food has refined cereals, refined flour like maida and white flour and extra sugar, extra fat. So all these points go against the cardiovascular diseases and other health hazards like diabetes.
The latest survey shows that Delhi and Mumbai